Hi guys, it's me Jalala, and in this video recording I'll show you how to register to the Taschool website. So you can use your phone or laptop, which one is convenient for you will work in registration process. You need to type down the Taschool in any search engine that you are using. For example, it can be Google, Microsoft Edge, maybe Opera, Yandex, it doesn't matter. And you will see the first one, and in the Google it's the first one comes up to the feed, but you need to look at the logo, you need to see the Taschool, and you need to click the first button. Then it will direct you to the home page, and you can choose the any language you are confident with. For example, if you are Turkish, the Russian, English, and Azerbaijan. And then you will see there are two options. Either you log in your existing account or you registered for the first time. I assume that most of you don't have accounts already. That is why we need to choose the register. When you choose the register button, you will see the user profile. You need to create the user profile. Please do not try to create a business partner profile. So first, you need to add your first name, last name, contact number, and please add your country code. For example, if it is the 442 or 994, it depends on the country and city. And you need to enter your birth date. You can enter either manual or just like to choose from the date. And you need to choose your country. For example, we have already added all your countries and cities. When you choose and search Pakistan, you will see all the countries and the cities it actually has. So if you are from Hyderabad, please choose the Hyderabad or like from any country and the city. Then you have to add the email address and the password. Please type down your password in any place because the most of the time students forget and ask from us to find out their password. But for security purposes, we are not uh, just keeping your password in our system. So you need to enter your grade. It depends on the system, but it can be the ninth grade, the 10th, 11th, 12th, and you can be a graduate right now, and you need to choose the mezun, which means graduate in English. So school type, there are two school type. First one is özel, it means private school. Second one is devlet, it means the public school. You can follow the order if you don't want to translate for your own. So areas of interest, actually your group mates have already translated for you in the group chat, but I want to say in English in an order. You can follow this order. First one is medicine and medicine related areas. For example, it can be any branch of the medicine. So second one is engineering, electronic engineering, and computer engineering. And then following the third one is the physics, chemistry, biology, and geology. And the fifth one is economics and economics related areas such as the business management, and the finance, marketing, and international business. And then it is history, psychology, sociology, anthropology. Then the following one is law, government relations and government management. Then international relations and the politics. The following one is art and art related any areas that you can imagine. For example, music, performance, arts, and graphic design. Then it is the information technology, cybersecurity, and anything related to the programming and computer engineering and the computer science. The last one is math, applied math, statistics, and data analytics. You can follow this order that I just translated for you, and you need to choose the register button. When you click the register button, you will see this notification, email verification. You need to click and go to the login page. And you already created your account. You need to just log in. When you log in, you will direct it to the profile part. You have to edit your profile manually. First of all, you have to add your name. Surname is already will be taken from the registration part, but you can add your location. It actually not mandatory, but it will be visible to only to you. And contact number in any case it's only visible to the owner, and you can hide your also email from others. For example, when you click this one, it will be directly hide your email. And there's about, and you can add any information about yourself in this place. And then you need to add your country, city, school type. Again, it is, first one is özel, it means private. Second one is uh, devlet, it means the public. We will just like the create the multi-language programming process for Tasku. That is why I need to just explain to the process. Then again, the same, a grade, and you need to add your experience. It can be volunteering, it can be internship, and it can be any project that you have led, and you can add any information about this if you want. For example, in this place, you can type down your start date, end date, job status, and company, and then you need to add your education manually, which high school you are coming from, and your interest. Again, interest right now you can add, for example, um, sorry, you can add, for example, math skills, and just like the click on the save, or just you can add the business skills. So professional skills, for example, it is uh, analytical thinking, and then you can add any soft skill you want. As I said it before, it's in English right now, but for your convenience, in a short run we will translate the whole website for international students as well. And you can add your language skills, and you can add your endorsed skills, for example, Duolingo scores, IELTS scores, TOEFL scores. You can add your also certificates in this part, for example, and then the process will be ended, and you will have your own task log.